Many people keep asking me, do I need to deposit a lot of money to use Pocket Option Auto Trader? In this video, I will show you that you can just use $50 and you will be fine. Actually, the limit to get started is 10, but I suggest you 50 or more. This is if you want to use things like Martingale, because yes, in this video, I will use Martingale and I will double the account, at least I will try, and I put the limits so I can't spend more than the $50 that would be in the account. Actually 75, because when you deposit $50, you get 50% extra, so your account is actually 75. So that is what we are going to have as a target, $50 and $50 in minus. There is what I'm going to do, okay? So now, if you want to run this robot yourself, you get it completely for free. Use the link that you find below the video and you come to this page and you can just add it to your Chrome and you can get started completely for free today, okay? So, without any more talking, let's start up and let's see if we can double the account.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom! Yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Oh shit, they done let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission. Every enemy listen and get offside, I got bad intentions. Making right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the road, piece of my time, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots that they wanna just fuck, if you know that you know. Sweet it up, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. I'm ready for war, I was born with a blade. This is the trend, is scared. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay.
And there you have it. We did just double the account. Actually not, because when you deposit $50, you get 50% extra, so you actually have 75. But to be accurate, from the money you deposit, you double it. So in this case, your $50 would be $130 actually right now. So how cool is that? And you can see also the win rate is 39%. In most of my videos you see I have like 60, up to 80% win rate, even 100 sometimes. The thing is, the market is like this. Even with the best strategy, you can get many losses in a row in the start. And the thing is that it's not because the strategy is bad and you have a low win rate. A win rate you only get after 1,000 trades. So that is how when I am choosing the strategies. Some days can be terrible, some days can be perfect. That's why I'm using martingale. Of course, in this case, you should put a lower bid with 50. To make this video faster, I did choose 5. You choose what, like $1-2 when you're martingale. Also, maybe put calculate so you don't use your all balance. So you put the steps maybe to 3 or 4. Okay, so this is steps that I would have done if I would with a $50 account. But to make this video fast, I did choose $5. So there you have it. With a double account, if you want to run this bot also, you can get it completely for free. Just use the link below the video. I'm always making new things on it. I'm upgrading the things I'm working on now, for example, like signals, journal, and even backtest. You can test every single strategy. It's still not working completely correctly, so it's not out there yet, but it's coming, so you can see that is things I'm working on. But the rest of the bot is exactly the same one that you get when you download. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next. And make sure you subscribe and turn the bell notification on, so you never lose an update just like this one.